Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. A warmer morning here in Helena. I know it's still cold out there, but not compared to the below zero and single-digit lows that we've had over the past few days here. It is a little gusty at times in Helena as well. The wind is currently 17 miles an hour. Some snow falling into Great Falls. 24 degrees. Again, a little bit breezy out there. A lot of the state will be a bit breezy today, but on the colder side. A lot of us into the 20s. There is some instrumentation issues with Lewistown still there up into the 20s right now. So here are winter weather alerts that we have active throughout the state right now, mainly clustered into north central Montana. Winter storm warnings for the Bear Paw, Snowies, Highwoods, and Little Belt Mountains, as well as the lower elevations in between, where we could have gusty winds and additional snowfall of up to 10 inches through 9 o'clock today. Even portions of Toole and Liberty County up into parts of the High Line there, blowing snow, a concern. We'll have a little bit more additional snow as well as snow is already on the ground. And then the big belts, the castles, and even into Judith Gap, we could see a little bit of snow and gusty wind as well. So here's the radar right now. A few areas of some light to moderate snow this morning east of Billings, around Glasgow and Fort Peck Lake, but we're going to take a closer look at the Great Falls area because we just saw that camera. Light snow currently falling over the Electric City and towards the south and east there. Geyser, Showdown. Heavy snow at times in the upslope areas of the Little Belt Mountains, and that will continue throughout the day today and into the afternoon. So Cut Bank, we do have the winter weather advisories up in this portion of the state. The winter storm warnings extending right where you see all this snow as well. So consistent flow out of the northwest today. We'll hit those central island mountain ranges, upslope that, and squeeze the moisture on out of the air, and that's why we are going to get significant snowfall there once again. If you tuned in during first weather had an explainer, we've had a very consistent pattern here over January favoring mountain ranges like the Little Belts, the Snowies, the Bear Paws, and that will continue today and into Friday when we have a cold front that's going to move through early Friday morning. Thursday is mainly going to be dry, but we will have an additional heavy burst of snow through the morning hours on Friday, and then scattered snow showers remaining into Friday night and early Saturday morning before all the moisture is finally on out of here. So through the rest of the day today, you could see 1 to 3 inches around Lewistown, again with higher isolated amounts into the mountain ranges. But going into the beginning of this weekend, a lot of lower elevations will see snowfall. It's going to be light. We'll be right at around 1 to 3 inches for most of us. But again, the mountain ranges of central Montana, notice these pinks and purples popping up. That's where we could see up to a foot of snow in some of these locations. So in terms of the wind speed, I mentioned we have that northwest flow. It's gusty at times, and we will continue to stay breezy and gusty through tomorrow. Notice west wind picking up off the Rocky Mountain front. Once again, we could see gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour ahead of that cold front tomorrow. So here's the next 7 days. For Helena, we'll be in the 20s and 30s for the remainder of this week. Some scattered snow showers will be around today, but more consistent snow, especially for Helena, will be around on Friday with the passage of that cold front, and cold air funnels back in for the weekend. Will be in the teens for highs, single digits for lows.